guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are baking cookies. Here's my trick to get like round cookies. I'm using the dough. I'm showing how to get like the good round cookies. So let's get started. First I'm gonna move my stool to the side so my arms are like, oh, the oven is still warm. Cause we just made dinner. We're moving over to the table. Okay, guys. It was a little bit different. We have our first thing we're gonna do is preheat our oven. Well, I don't know. We're gonna be cooking. I'm gonna start with 5. I'm gonna start by just checking on them every so often. But actually, we should make them before we preheat, so because we don't know how long this could take me. But we're gonna need a baking sheet, the dough, and of course a spoon. Because last time I cut it and turned it into leftovers into a square, but I want more of an amount. Okay, so we're gonna open that, and we're gonna push our spoon. And we're going to form this into a square shape. This one seems way too big, guys. So we are going to break that in half. It's going to take a long time. So it's going to be like... Okay, guys. So now we're just going to fix that up. Oh yeah, just fix up those corners. So it should look like this. Now we're going to place that down onto our tray. Not too close to the edge. And we're just going to repeat that until our tray is full. You might actually have to make more trays than you thought to actually get the amount you want of mini cookies you want. I'm going to check on these every 5 minutes until they seem ready, because I don't want to, but we are doing 350 degrees still. Because I don't want to mess with the recipe that much. Like, I don't want to change how long we cook them for. I'll change how long we cook them for, but like, I'm not gonna change the temperature. I'm just going with what I know. Maybe that was the source of the infection. Yeah, that one came out more gooey because I actually had to mix it more. I want to now it's sort of like butter. Like, watch, guys. It's like, it turned into butter. Just watch my hand, ready? That is what I mean, like, just like butter. It's bugging me. Like, it's pretty much like a slime that's not stretchy. I actually never... We are just going to add a bit more of some normal dough. Try to firm that up. The other one's formed... Oh, geez, that's a little too much. See, the other one would have been preheated by now. That's why we didn't. Now, we're also going to have more dough to work with. Great. Now we're just going to keep on doing... Oh, yes, Luna. Yeah, my kitten's doing... Yeah. So, still on mixing. Oh, geez. This is turning out worse than I expected. It's still gooey. Gooey. now we're just gonna keep making these little squares. But I think you guys want to watch me do this thing fully, but because I'm hilarious trying to do this. Oh, Luna's in the background. Hey Luna, do you want to say hi? Okay, yeah, Luna's together. It's okay, big girl. Ready, Luna? Surprise appearance from Luna! She's like, hello. I know, Luna. I know my fingers taste like cookie dough, but you're not allowed to have. She'll eat anything pretty much. Like when she licked one of the cookies that I was eating, she's like, "Ooh, what's this?" That one came out much better. Like not like this. Now let's keep spooning. I didn't really need the spoon, but it's nice to have it. It tells me. Jeez. Mom, look how good this is turning out. I don't really. Oh. Is that now for a photo? Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. I actually just showed Luna on the camera.
Is that food tasty?
Yeah, she's eating the big cat food. Right, Luna? Luna's like, yup.
Sugar plums and fairies.
Hey, we should have called me.
What?
My brush isn't here.
Oh, you need your hairbrush.
You still want to have you transfer down there.
That's looking gooey, but we'll work with it. We're gonna break that in half, and we have our last ones. We're gonna be making 9 today. Wow. Wally just meows in the background, like, yeah. I'm probably gonna be making another trays worth. You know me.
The dog is so food motivated, it's not even funny.
It's just so good. We haven't even preheated the oven. Yeah. Wow. We have one tray done.
Macaroni and cheese when we're having dinner.
Look at, oh jeez. Yeah, I guess that wasn't the best option. I could have shown it other ways, but let's try this again. What? Yeah. We'll bake these, see how that goes, and if it goes good, I'm making more, but I'll make those off camera. Let's go preheat that oven. I know. I'm sorry that I'm moving the camera around so much. Okay, the oven is preheating. Oh wait, whoa. I'm sorry, I'm trying to see if I'm on camera and everything. So we will wait for those. And then we'll put in those amazing cookie dough thingy. Let's go look at them. Look at those. Perfect. Well, it's gonna take the oven a long time, but I will see you when they are out. Little thing. So, I made so many leftover. I made a leftover. If the dough is edible, guess what? You eat it. And they're pretty. Really mixing it into a squirt. They're really soft. Just fat. Like, so these are bite sizes. Ow. You guys ready to see them? I covered the thing with my hand so you could see them. Dark. Okay, so we're gonna get these sweet looking, like these cookies onto a plate. Oh, I already had everything in the corner. This will all fit on this. They won't break if I do it right. And I hit it just like that. See, it's super easy to do. It's what you do with that. And they're on the plate. But since I made so many, it's gonna take me a bit. Oh, this is so cute, so tiny. Okay, anything tiny, my brain is cute, so. Oops, I stopped recording. Put the camera up so I can see. Just gonna slide that. Crumbs are good. Oh, I tested the crumb. Okay, yeah, dropped it. Just gonna keep on sliding these little things onto this plate. I'm trying not to break them, but it's so hard. There, so tiny. I can fit this one in the center. I'm trying to think what I can do. And I can put one right there. Great. Man. And boom. It's done. I worked really hard on getting that on there and let the pan cool. Let's show you guys the plate. Oh geez. They smell delicious. Let's go. Oh, they smell so good. Anyway, I should really, my battery's low, the camera. I will eat them off camera, but thanks for watching. Oh, I should probably put it in my head. Thanks for watching. Bye.